How's it, you guys? I'm quickly going to show you how to install and create a environment for you to create a web app using PyCharm and Django. Now, first thing you want to do is create a new project, which I already did. I just went file, new project, and named it my site. After that, go to settings and install Django from the plugin section. Project interpreter, select, go there, go to the right side and install Django. Okay, after that's done, you go to your console, Python, not the Python console, your terminal actually. And at your terminal, you'll see you're in the virtual environment in Thomas, your projects, and your project name. Now, from here, you want to start the project. Now that you just type Django dash admin start project. Okay. Now you'll see if you do that, it'll create all the necessary files for you which you will be using. It must. Oh yes, I forgot the project name. Start project. Project is project one. Project one. Okay. So okay, now I've created everything for you. If you check here, here's project one. Okay. Now there's all the files. The manage Python file, initial settings, URLs, and the WSGI file, which you will be using throughout your creation of your site. Now, next thing you want to do is just go to that directory, call directory project one, and they're in the directory. Now, what you want to do is to allow for you to have access to that your local host. Go to settings, and right at the bottom, you'll see static URL. Here, you do the following: allow, allowed, allowed hosts, and within the code blocks, just put the parenthesis and the asterisk. After you've done that, this will allow you to access your site. It will be a secluded environment. No one else can check it out. You'll be able to develop there at your own time. Now, once you've done that, it's quite easy. You type in Python, go back to your terminal at the bottom, Python manage.py run server. Now you want to specify the localhost address, which is 127.0.0.1, and the local port name is 8080. You run that and it will create a link for you to go to your site. Now, I spent quite a lot of time figuring this out. This is a really quick fix, it's easy, and you'll be able to go to your site shortly. I do apologize, this laptop is very slow, but it gets the work done. And there you see it, there's the link. So that's it. Click on the link and it'll take you straight to your Java web framework. So I hope that was enough for you. I hope you get it right. Yeah, thanks a lot.